digging on you now, baby.
Yeah.
Do you want a little bit of my love?
Yeah.
Yeah. Wait a minute. All the time I knew that you loved me. Got you right always there. Could I be that mistake? And believing that you really care. Ooh, in the presence of all my friends, you stood holding my hand. And looking back on when I was a little nappy-headed girl, and my only worry was for Christmas what would be my toy. Even though you sometimes would I get a thing, we were happy with the joy the day will bring. Sneaking out the bag, hang out with this old friends of mine. Sneaking out the bag, when Anyway, was a preacher's song. Already standing for things that had come along. And he got around and started talking. It's a pity they take me walking. In the backyard we go walking, and I'm looking through his eyes. No, Lord, was my surprise. The only one who could never reach me was the son of the preacher man. The only boy who could never teach me was the son of the preacher man. Yes, he was. Ooh. Being good is always easy, no matter how I try. And it's starting sweet talking to me, and he tell me everything is alright, and he kiss and everything is alright. Did I get it again tonight?